Chris, it's raining. Or it was raining.
Nice boots.
Yeah, these are my rain boots.
Are they?
Are those your rain boots?
Yeah.
Nice rain boots.
Thank you.
Yeah. What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got a truck show today and the weather's not really cooperating. It's been raining all night. The roads are still kind of wet, so I don't want to wash my truck. I mean, you can see just from Chris driving down the road, all the water and crap that's on there. So I think we're showing up to a truck show with a dirty truck today.
Might as well. Everybody else is gonna have a dirty truck. Watch.
All right, let's get on the road. What are we doing? Cleaning the interior? Oh, you spilled something.
No, I had sand in there.
Uh-oh.
But I wiped it.
Yeah, so I think we're good on not cleaning the trucks. I think, yep.
Well, I don't ever.
Yours makes mine look spotless. Look at it. He brought his ramp, too. Ladies and gentlemen, from the caves of who knows where, we've got little Rhino and his son Jarek is back with him. Look at that. Look at that, dude. What's up? What happened? Nothing happens when you do that. Do it again.
Hold on, let me see. Oh, poor Chris was right there.
Yeah, you just killed Chris, dude. That was your one homie. I'm gonna come to your side, Carlos. We gotta talk. So, Carlos, we've been to a sick truck event before, right? And I took first place. I'm rooting for you this time, bro. This is your turn, dude.
What about my first place when I took best lifting?
Where? I don't remember that.
Oh, you don't remember that?
No.
When we go home, I'll show you my trophy.
All right. I mean, I saw you brought your ramp.
Well, because you can't flex like I told you.
I remember the other day you're like, yeah, dog, I'm never putting my truck up on a ramp again, and I was like, yeah, I'm kind of over it too. And then I should have known, dude.
Well, this time I'm probably gonna take it. But you know what?
I'm rooting for you, dude. I'm
rooting for you.
Hey, I'm gonna give Squeaky like $10 to make sure that you win, dude.
I'm gonna give Squeaky $20.
Was your headliner done last time?
Hey, I got some more stuff for you, man.
Dang. Come on out, dude. You need help getting down, buddy? Come on, little Rhino. I got you, buddy. I got you. There you go. All right.
Brother, thanks, brother.
Dude, you got enough tire shine on here?
Bro, I came home.
Oh,
I got my shit.
they're dirty.
I got my shit to wipe it off. Don't worry about that.
Hey, we're all rolling up dirty, dude. We're over this show scene, you know. We're not about trophies anymore. Kind of like you used to be. I mean, you said you used to be.
I am still on the truck scene. I got a job now. I got a mortgage. I got to pay for this beast. I what do you call it? I work for it.
Did Jared pitch in for some gas money?
No, I actually paid him gas money.
Oh, we got the rest of the gang pulling up. Ferdinando, a little late, buddy. I thought you were supposed to meet us on the freeway, dude.
Answer your phone.
Should we tell them now or later that there's a cop sitting right there watching them all do train horns and roll coal? I feel like the group just got a whole lot bigger. I didn't anticipate we were meeting up with this many people. I feel like everybody's circling the wagons right now. What's up, buddy? Super clean first gen. I love this truck. I've seen it at the last couple shows we've been to. This is super clean. Oh! What happened, dude? Who we have to take out?
Being bad, somebody disrespecting my family.
Shoot, we gotta check out the new ride, bro. You guys may remember BJ. What's the new Instagram name? Because
Platinum BJ.
Platinum BJ.
What was it? Damn, what was my? Dmax BJ.
Dmax BJ. He had the one. He had the Silverado converted to a Denali front end. Now he's rolling big dog status over here in the F450. Dang, dude. This thing's clean.
Yeah, I told myself I would never buy a Ford, but I put my foot in my mouth now.
There you
go. This thing is lovely.
So you're going to be using it for business, right?
Yeah, transporting, auto transport. I
There
already
you
got
go.
the trailer, so I figured I had the best of both worlds, show and, work.
Hey, just tell you my focus. That thing that you posted.
Thank you.
He said either y'all live in shacks or you're all millionaires.
So you put a lot of money in these trucks.
Right here. I was work for it, dog. Hey, give me a follow.
I eat truck fest. Hey, it's about to crack down, everyone.
Dude,
Don't
you
get
got a
left
big
out.
old turnout, brother.
Hell yeah, hey, 500 trucks.
Gee.
Hey, don't get left out, eh? And I said that it's spot for you guys to just pull up, and it's right there, big dog.
Thank you, brother. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah,
Appreciate
got you.
that.
They been trying to take it, I said no way. Dawg, this ain't a game, nah, I don't play. You can tell my fan that I'm okay. I just got a juice like I'm OJ. They been trying to take it, I said no way. Dawg, this ain't a game, nah, I don't play. You can tell my fan that I'm okay. I just got a juice like I'm OJ. Okay, they don't got what it take to win. I've been blowing up, but I'm staying with my kin. Same people hate it, now they tryna be my friends. They just want some clout, shawty, come and get you.
Dang, bro. I mean, could he try any harder to be Little Rhino?
I know, but
Could
I
he
know,
try-
but I know, but
Look at
what's
this.
crazy though?
Could he
what's
try any harder? Look at that, dude. Look at that.
I know, but what's crazy though is
What's
that
up?
what you do, I just do it better. So that's metal. You have cardboard, and I think that picture is a lot more better than yours. It just speaks about my truck a lot more.
It's weird because my trophy case does better than
I
yours.
let you have those trophies, just like today.
Should
You're
we
gonna
tell?
let me have mine.
Should we tell a story of when your daughter walked into the warehouse?
You said you were.
Hold on, yeah, Jared was there.
Hey, Jared.
Jared was there. So as you guys know, when you walk into the warehouse, the first thing you see is a little trophy case, and I have my display board that Carlos kind of copied right there, set up right in the front. So Carlos is, what is she, 4?
She's 4.
Carlos's 4-year-old daughter walks in, bah, bah, bah. First thing she looks up, she's like, "Oh, that's Daddy's truck." And I'm like, no, darling, that's the truck your dad copied.
I had my truck before you, and my truck's bigger than yours.
No, hold on. You built this truck off of my 2015 Silverado.
But you had a 12-inch, so I had 14. The only thing I copied, which is your grill, that grill is sick as f. Everything else I did not copy off.
Hey, listen, dude, today's your day, bro.
Oh no, there's no doubt.
I've already won the sick truck events, best lifted.
Okay.
Now it's your turn.
But honestly,
I'm handing down to the next generation.
Thank you.
I got you, bro.
Thank you. But honestly, there's some sick trucks here. Me or Ryan, we might not take it.
No, I did see a nice Chevy or GMC just pull up right now.
Yeah. There's some sick trucks here. Hey.
What?
I made sure to put my sponsor work for it on there.
Oh, dude, but I appreciate that, but there's no spaces. It's one word, Carlos, one word.
What?
And the hashtag.
I don't know if you guys recognize this truck. He's right there, wheeling and dealing, our boy Chad, C4 Off-Road. Hey, I'm trying to sell this guy a hat over here. What's up, dude? Ladies and gentlemen, Chad, C4 Off-Road. Are these new?
These are the Landmark Plus, so they have the RGBWs, the true white, and then the RGBs, which don't have the true white.
Gotcha.
The LED headlights.
I need those.
Yes, you do. Pause, man. You know what?
Hey, listen, hold on. If he ever calls you, he's only got 16 rock lights, requesting more rock lights, you call me first.
Oh, I got you on speed dial.
Yeah, just make sure I always got more rock lights than him.
So we have
Wheezy
30, so I'm gonna
surpassed me a little bit.
No. Sorry. No, I think Weezy's got a lot.
but Josh,
I got a lot.
Wes, this is your style right here, bro. Didn't you run 30s on your Avalanche?
That was old, man.
This one looks clean though. I don't know how he turns. Well, there's how he turns right there. A little chip out of the tire. Don't gotta use a whole lot of tire shine though when your tires are that big. A lot of big wheels out here today. It's like he went with the red bed liner. Looks like it's a kind of a home done thing, but I don't know, I think the red bed liner looks cool on a style truck like this, kind of like having a red interior on a white vehicle. I just think there's just like something kind of cool about it. He did the 2500 conversion like Brian did. Not sure why he left the Dmax badges on there though. So one thing you'll notice when you get into like this truck world is sunroofs are a big thing. If we look out over here, you can just see, I mean, double sunroofs is kind of a cool thing they've been doing on these older trucks. Sunroofs on the single cabs is a big thing, and having your sunroof up. Like, that's how you show it. I personally am not a fan of sunroofs. I think they look cool like this on the lower trucks with the dual sunroof sticking up. Wes, we gotta put dual sunroofs on your truck, dude.
I don't want that shit.
What happened, Weezy?
You got it nice and detailed last night, supposedly, right? Looks clean. But, Carlos.
Oh, yikes, dude.
Why do you have your hood open, buddy? All you see is dust and dirt.
Where's Jarek? Jarek, you're supposed to be cleaning it for him. Did you clean your dad's engine bay?
No, he's not my dad.
Son.
No.
I need to get your lint roller. Your beard's a little weird.
And the little accents, little chrome accents in the back. Fully tucking 28s. This thing's a full custom channel frame, right? Everything?
Yeah.
And I like the fact that everybody showed up dirty today.
Yeah.
Except for Carlos. Carlos is trying so hard for this trophy.
Carlos wants a trophy today.
Check it out. Even if you have your bracket painted for your airbag, it's points right
Thank
there.
you. Thank you. And full interior squeaky nose.
Everything. Hey, those diamond stage Y and everything.
Thank you.
With work for it, hey, you know.
Thank you, Squeaky.
Hey, even though I can't reach, but hey, I put attention.
I appreciate that. Hey,
Yeah.
hey, I tried to help out my boy Carlos. I upped his display a little bit. I got him this because he didn't have a place to display the board. You know, he copied me on this board. He didn't have a place to display it. I felt bad, so I got him this. I got him a new sponsor.
I had it, and you feel this, so this is metal.
I got him a new sponsor, Walmart.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, Walmart sponsored him.
Sponsored by Walmart Sea Truck Event Edition. Right.
Walmart and McDonald's. Walmart and then see my headliner's done. His headliner's not done. But check out my interior, Squeaky.
Hey, when I grow, I want to be like you guys.
Showed my tour hauler to Glam inside. You saw it?
Hey, but you know what?
I use my truck. I use my truck. This fool don't use his truck.
Exactly, the best part.
See, this is pretty boy truck right here.
That's the problem. Squeaky watching my videos, bro. He seen me take mine in the sand, in the snow.
We call him Weta.
In the snow.
Hey.
You're drinking Bud Light, bro.
I need to hydrate. What? I need to hydrate.
It's not what you drive. It's that you support the people and you're always there, you know?
Oh, no. He's got connections through YouTube.
You don't show up.
You
don't show up.
It don't matter if you don't have a car. As long as you show up and it's in the shop, that's what matters. That you're there and you're showing enough support to everybody, you know?
Yeah, kind of like Jarek.
And the best part is to hang out and have a good time, everybody. Hey, the trophy no matters. As long as you have a good time with the people and meet new people, that don't matter.
You hear that, Carlos?
So it doesn't
the
matter.
trophy doesn't matter.
You need to rhyme that.
It's okay.
You need to rhyme that.
Hey, rewind that,
okay.
rewind that. Remember, trophy no matters.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me something.
Hey, you know, but hard work pays off. Look at that.
Hey, that's why.
My feet don't fit.
Where's the killer camera?
Wes has a camera.
Could I have more rings? How about
Oh, your boots is too big for the hole.
I got it.
So we saw this truck when it pulled in, and I think it caught both of our eyes, right, Christian?
Oh yeah, most definitely. It's very nice. I like the color. The red pops. Looks really nice.
Yeah, this is a clean truck. We've been looking for it. We've been looking around to try and find it, but they kind of shoved it in the back over here. This thing is, I mean, clearly kind of keeping with the model of everybody showing up today with dirty trucks, but I'm sure a lot of these guys don't want the truck seen when they're dirty.
No, the weather killed it for a lot of people.
Yeah, it rained a little bit, but what size wheels are these? 28s on 42s with the Furies. Drop Star forged wheels. He's got the Willwood big brake kit. Yeah, I think he's got the front end cranked up. This thing's cranked up to like a 14. Bulletproof kit, dual shocks, Fab Fours bumpers, X Metal grill. X Metal, I don't know who makes that. I think that's not X Metal. I don't know who makes that, but little trimming here on the def tank, little cover. Not sure why he did that. I wonder if, he did have amp steps on there. You can see the lights where the amp steps were. So this is a wrap. You can see where they wrapped all the way down. He's running bulletproof track bars, which I haven't really seen bulletproof, actual just track bars versus the 4-link setup. And then he's got his drive shaft wrapped just like Carlos does. One thing I've been noticing a lot of is these little, like, I don't know, kind of like the little visors or wind deflectors, but I've been seeing these a lot out here. I don't know what that's made of. It almost looks like some type of composite. I don't want to be Wes and touch it, but I have to touch it.
Who's gonna win in the war?
What?
Carlos!
Ryan's gonna. Ryan, I don't even know what's my number again? What's my number? 237.
You think, Chris? You think Carlos got it this time? Finally, are they finally gonna feel bad enough for him to give him one?
No, dude, it's all you, Carlos.
I'm a laugh, bro. Poor dude goes to the restroom and then calls his number.
Yeah, so they're doing top 35 right now. Carlos just went to the bathroom.
I hope they call his number right now. What number is he?
237.
Please call 237.
261. Number 261.
Hey, you know he's gonna watch back this and be so pissed at you for that.
Hey, I'm rooting for you. I want you to win.
237.
I don't want to take free
Number
shit, dude. I like to support.
Ain't that you?
Carlos.
That's you, Carlos!
37. For what?
Top 45.
Where's your trophy at?
Mine's great. Mine's to the end. That ain't even a trophy, Carlos. That's a plaque.
144. Here we
go.
Dang, bro.
Top 45. Not even 25 or 35. 45. I don't know if that's good or bad. I don't know. But I got a trophy.
That ain't a trophy. That's a plaque. That's a plaque, dude.
Mirror, they don't leave it nothing, you know? Got something.
Look at that. That's grateful, man.
You're damn
That's
right.
very
I'm
humble.
real humble.
You're humble.
Just what a humble.
You're not gonna throw
License
it. You're not gonna throw it at Jarek this time, like last time.
231.
Oh, yeah, I remember last time I did that.
51.
No, they're not. Ryan wins because he has a YouTube channel.
Carlos, I didn't win anything. They're done.
Best lifters.
They're done. There's no best
After
lifted.
we're done with all the awards, we will go one by one. So make sure. Best lifted truck. Number 201.
Sorry, Carlos.
Is that me or you?
Sorry, Carlos.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Pretty pouting?
No, I was actually posting you.
Oh,
let me
thanks,
see.
buddy. Thanks.
I think
dude.
mine is bigger than yours anyway.
Yeah, maybe.
Congratulations,
Hey, you too, brother. You
Big
too.
Rhino.
You too.
Big Rhino, congratulations.
Look at that. BJ coming in clutch with that F450. We got top 35.
Yeah.
Street truck.
Street truck.
Work truck.
First show.
There you go.
First show.
Carlos, we got to get you off the ramp, dude. I think you got enough room to back up.
All right, let's try it. Let's see.
We're here to help, bro. We're on your team, bro.
I don't know. Since you keep on. You're not sure. You said I got it this time. You lied.
You want this one?
I don't want it. I didn't earn it.
Are you sure?
I didn't earn it.
All right. What? Carlos, you're spinning a little bit, buddy. All right, you're good. All right, guys. Well, it was another great day over here. I want to thank Sick Truck Events for always putting on. It's all love between me and Carlos, too. I know we talk crap back and forth all day long, but that's what real friends do, and not get butthurt.
And not get butthurt.
Yeah.
You're my boy.
Are you gonna still call me? Or are you a little mad?
Let's start off with text. Let's move slow.
All right,
let me
all
text
right,
you.
all right. Yeah, text me when you're ready,
When I'm ready.
and then we'll talk about it.
All right.
And we'll move on.
All right.
All right.
I'm down for that.
So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you don't miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. Come on, I'll give you that honor, dude.
Roll the outro.
Damn. Yeah.